And I didn't even bring my mirror. Like, you see, that's why I can't do my makeup in 12 minutes. Like, I'm just a mess. Hey guys, what's up? What's good? I'm here, I'm back, and I'm better. So hey, so today I'm going to do like a different challenge. I'm gonna do the 12-minute while doing my makeup in 12 minutes. Let's see how that's gonna go. Honestly, I don't get much done in 12 minutes, but you know what? God is good and I'm good too. So let's do this. So this is my timer, so you guys don't think I'll be cheating. So I'm just gonna start it. Oh, I should have laid out my makeup. I'm gonna lay out my makeup and then I'll start. I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back like I said. So yeah, I laid out all my makeup, so now I'm gonna start the timer, the 12-minute timer. Okay, so it started, so let's start. So when I do my makeup, I normally start with my face. I do like my base like that, especially on days that like I'm not going out and that I want to do like a big glamorous eyeshadow. So I just start with the base. I'll make sure that my base is in check. Yo, if I talk and I do this makeup, I don't know how I'll do, but like I said earlier, God is good and I am too. And sorry if my lips are dry. I'm really going through it right now. My lips are just always dry nowadays. But yeah, I forgot one part. So this is the Fenty Beauty like blotting powder. I'm not gonna like talk much about the products because I'm just gonna like try to do my makeup as quick as possible. I'm just gonna do my makeup that I do normally when I don't want to do too much or when I'm going to school, and that is basically, you know, like a good base and no eyeshadow, and normally I put some lashes, but I don't know if I'll put some lashes today because, you know, it's just 12 minutes. Oh, it's not that one. Oh, like, you see, that's why I can't do my makeup in 12 minutes. Like, I'm just a mess. I laid out my makeup, but I laid out the wrong makeup. Like, wow, Patricia. But I think that like I will need to learn how to do like my makeup in like 20 minutes because when I'll have some kids and everything, it's gonna be real, you know. And I didn't even bring my mirror. Maybe it's right there. I'm a mess, guys. That's just me. Blending in the foundation. We're only at 3 minutes of filming, so on my timer it says that I have left 8:22 minutes. So what's good, guys? I've been going through it, honestly, like with school and everything. Like, honestly, tomorrow I have an oral presentation. Everything's gonna go as God's plan, because God is just so good. I actually enjoy those talking videos. I'm gonna start doing more like talking videos where I'll talk about issues, about life. We're just gonna have like a live talk session, which I think will be a good thing. I feel like sometimes it's good to talk about certain things. Yo, it's been 5 minutes and I'm still on my foundation. I'm not gonna blend really in the neck because I'm not going nowhere after this. I'll probably just go to sleep, take a nap because I'm so tired. Into concealer. Damn, I'm so pressed that I'm not even like doing it right. I'm just like, fuck that shit. Blending the concealer. Blending right away. Gonna set the concealer with my Huda Beauty. Just go ahead and go directly in the pan because anybody got time for this. Normally after this part I do my eyebrow, but I don't think I'll do that right now. I think I'll go into contouring. I don't have much time left. I think I have like 2 minutes left. So we contouring with the Fenty Beauty Coconutty, I think, if I'm not mistaken. After that, a little bit here. Yeah. We're gonna contour the nose. I'm actually doing not bad, but the makeup isn't all that good. Okay, this is I'll go in for a little bit of highlighter and then I'll do my. I don't even think I'll have time for my eyebrows, but you know what? Let's give it a try. Doing my eyebrows. Normally start with the left eyebrow. One minute 30 left. Doing not bad actually. I think this is the worst looking eyebrows in history. Oh, time's up. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. This is what I look like after 12 minutes. And my sister is sitting there and she's laughing at me. So yeah, this is how I would look if I would do my makeup in 12 minutes. I actually achieved more than I thought I would achieve. I actually managed to do my 2 eyebrows, but like I feel like this one looks good actually, but this one is the one that I normally do good, but it doesn't look that good. But I feel like yeah, like certain areas look a little bit of unblended, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is what I would look after 12 minutes. My lips will still be crusty. I'm sorry about that, guys. Like me too, like I get disturbed when I look at like crusty lips, and now my lips are crusty. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, like it's something different, a little bit fun to like take off the stress of this semester, you know what, just to have fun or whatever. So yeah, thank you so much guys. I'll see you on my next video, but before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have a blessed day, a blessed evening, a blessed night. May God bless you, may God protect you, and yeah, I'll see you on the other side guys. Bye.
So maybe Christmas would be me get again just start for a Christmas tree. A New Year's Eve when them a count down, me a count pound. At the brown, but those between a town of my sound.